Welcome, Redeemer. It's good to be with you today. Today is an exciting day. It's the first day, day number 1 of Red Letter Challenge. And I'm excited about how together we're going to be working through the words of Jesus, the challenges that we're given together, and how God's Spirit's going to use these next 40 days to touch your life, to touch my life, and to touch the lives with others. You know, during the previous 40 days, our whole staff, our leaders, all of our staff here at Redeemer did the 40-day challenge. I'm excited about doing it again with you because I really had some great opportunities to grow, some great opportunities to learn, and an opportunity to do some new things as a follower of Jesus Christ. You know, in Psalm 46, it ends, "Be still and know that I, the Lord, am God." And this first day is reflecting on that duality that we have in ourselves of both being and doing. For some of us, we like to do. For others, we like to be. Jesus calls us to do both. And in fact, our doing flows out of who we are and who we become when we spend time with Christ. And so I just want to encourage you to be with Christ during this time. If you don't have your book, I encourage you to come by the church. We'll be happy to get you a copy, but just to spend that time with Jesus during this time, and there will be some doing along the way for those who are more inclined in that directive. The second thing I just want to update you on today is that this coming weekend, Sunday, we're going to have 5 different opportunities for communion. We will be having a bit of a shorter service at all of the in-person worship services. That is so that we can have communion at each of those services. We've been doing the last Sunday of the month in a number of different ways, and so that's how we're going to celebrate the Lord's Supper at each service at the end of each in-person service. Then from 3 to 5, Pastor Landon and I will be underneath the portico. And so even if you're worshiping at home and not coming to in-person worship services, you can come through, any age, to come through and receive communion. And we'll be able to serve you there in a very good way, a COVID unfriendly way, I guess. But anyway, that is going to be from 3 to 5 this coming Sunday underneath the portico, a drive-through communion. And then at 6 p.m., we will be celebrating communion online. And you can go through the training. You can do that at redeemer.net/communion. And you can get trained and you can celebrate with your family or with yourself at home on a Zoom meeting. So, a couple of big things going on this week. The beginning of 40-day challenge and also communion in 5 different ways this coming weekend. May the Lord just continue to bless you. Thank you again for all your generosity here at Redeemer during these really challenging times. I am so impressed by your generosity, and God is blessing you so that you can be generous during this time. See you next week.